Welcome to Itsmodelvational. This is a full mentorship program into the modeling and acting industry. From getting signed, having a social media presence, working with the best in the industry, and more. Hi, my name is Naoumie Ekiko. I am a Black international model from Cameroon. I have worked with brands like Covergirl, Clinique, Lafayette 148, Macy's, and more. I have worked in markets like New York's Fashion Week, London Fashion Week, Capetown Fashion Week, which has allowed me to grace multiple campaigns and magazines. I love what I do, and I hope to encourage you to pursue your passion. I am very excited to share my knowledge with you about the industry. I have been modeling for more than 10 years. It has changed a lot, and hopefully for the better with you being part of it. This program is filled with tips and advice, information on do's and don'ts, some group calls for those who have questions, group calls from industry specialists like photographers, agents, models, and more. With my help, you will learn the art of posing, develop new and empowering habits, create your own personal brand, understand the modeling terminology, and create a social media presence by setting yourself for the future. So why you? Why not you? I have been fortunate enough to work with some beautiful women like you, from the ones who know nothing to the ones who are amazing on the runway, amazing on magazines, from the young to the old. Working with these ladies, I have learned I actually love seeing the progression that happens from becoming you. I am looking forward to meeting you who is ready for the next step and into an exciting career if done right. I can't wait to see you on our next call. Let's get you to your next level. Thank you, ladies. Again, my name is Naoumie, and this is Itsmodelvational.